So what if, okay, so if you people want to store anything, okay, so otherwise, just for like example, I'm just trying to give you an amount of 1,000 rupees. So what is the thing? So I'm just telling like, so those who are attending the meeting, so I will be giving you like a bonus of like 1,000 rupees, just for imagination. So you what you will be telling, sir? Just I will be giving my GPay number. Just give me the the amount of 1,000 rupees in my GPay GPay number. So if I try to like give the amount means directly it will be moves to your bank account, right? Okay. So if I want to give 1,000 rupees means that 1,000 rupees will be stored in your bank account, and whenever there is a need, you need to like to use this particular amount. There is a usage means so you can take the amount and you can use that particular value. Likewise, the amount that is the rupees, 1,000 rupees I try to give, right? That is a value or that is a data I try to provide. And if you want to store that amount, right? So for storing, you have like a bank and account, bank account. Likewise, so whenever you're going to store a data, so we have a concept called like a variable. So just imagine like there is a value called apple. I want to store this apple means so you're supposed to store inside a variable. So variable means just a name. It can be any name. See here, it is a box. Box is just a name. It's not just a name, it is a variable name. Variable and it is used to store the data. Okay. And after storing this apple, if I want to print that apple means so you're supposed to print the variable name. Then only you can able to print the output. Right? This is how a simple way to write a variable and how to like to write the variables. So there are like a set of rules you need to follow. So simply you should not supposed to create as your own wish, okay, with your own name, some procedures and some like rules you need to follow to write these variables. So starting letters, okay, so write your variable starting letter should be like the alphabet or otherwise it should be like a underscore character. So see here, this is a variable name I have told you. The starting letter is a P. Alright. So either it is an alphabet or otherwise it is an underscore. An underscore symbol will be here. Or otherwise, okay, if suppose unfortunately you try to use some numbers means, so you will be getting an error. So variable means your starting character, that is starting letter should be an alphabet and it should not supposed to have a number. If you have a number, you will be getting an error. But you can have like an alphanumeric character. That means first letter as letter and the remaining characters can be numbers. That's your own use. But as per the rule, first letter should be like an alphabet or an underscore. And coming to the case sensitive, so these and all the points I try to show you the example, then you can able to understand case sensitive.